Hi everyone. Welcome to the class, guys. Hi everybody. Good evening, everyone. Let us see who we have in the session. Hi Akanksha. Okay class, the session has started. Share the link with your friends and your classmates and ask everybody to join the session right now. Hi Akanksha, good evening everyone. Hello learners. Good evening everybody. Okay, let me see who has joined the class. Who has joined the class? Okay, hi Arnima. How are you, Ajay? So in the class we have got Akanksha, we have Arnima, then we have Ajay Verma and we have Sanskruti. Welcome to the session everyone and very warm welcome to the class. Okay, that is Shivangi. All right. Okay. So we have Shivangi, not Ajay. Yeah. So class, first of all, I must mention that we already had this session, lines and angles, and there was some issue. That's why I was not able to complete the session, right? So that is why I got this session rescheduled and I'm here. We're going to discuss everything once again. Yeah. So are you all excited for today's class? Let me know. Let me know, are you excited for the class, everybody? So you know what is your part, you know what you need to do. You need to share the video with your friends. You need to share the link so that we get all the learners in the Menti session and we can have a tough competition among you guys. Okay, we have Akshara in the session. Hi Akshara. Hi everyone. Okay, so let me see that if we have anybody who knows me well, because I can see there are a lot of students who are new to the, they are having the first class with me. Akanksha, baches, look at the top. See on the top, I have written Menti revision. It means Menti will be there. Yes, bacha, Menti is there. Yes, Menti is there. So class, the session is on lines and how lines on crossing form different angles. So let us quickly start the session. Class, yes, I am having a Menti revision for you guys. Now this is your duty, your responsibility, okay? You have to handle the chat. Whenever a new kid joins and asks if there is a Menti revision, you guys are going to tell, okay? Hi Pushpender, good evening. Good evening. Okay, so class, try to make the chat as much interactive as possible. Okay, I just want all of you guys to quickly answer the question whenever I ask anything. All right. Okay, so once again, welcome to Unacademy Champions, guys. Let us see how many champions we have got in this session. We have Ayush. Hi Ayush. Okay, thanks for telling me this. So class, I have got all of you and I know what is your name, what are your real names actually. So let me tell you. Okay, Shivangi is having first class with me. Yes, I have got some regular students here. So hi guys, I am Shubhkarman Kaur, your mathematics educator on Unacademy. Yes, I am a mathematics educator on Unacademy. Yes, you got it right. So have you got the Unacademy application? Have you guys got the Unacademy application? I hope the answer is yes. If no, what are you waiting for, guys? Hurry up, download the Unacademy application right now and start following me on the app. Do not forget to follow me on the app for all the live classes, be it plus classes and the plus courses, and for all those special classes that you can enjoy for free. Yes, we have free classes on the app as well. Okay class, so if you are having the first class with me, do not forget my referral code. Which is my referral code? This is the best way to remember about your educator. The referral code SKK Live 10 is my referral code. Hi Harsh. Hi Harsh, welcome to the class. Aage chidane? I am not going to, this is not going to work for me. This is not going to work for me. Alright class, so we are all set to start the session. We will discuss about lines and angles. right? Some properties of angles formed by when different lines cross each other, or when a transversal intersects some lines. Okay, so class, this session is going to be great informative for you guys, and we are going to have a mentee as well. I just want you guys to be ready with your notebook, pen and paper, so that you are going to get all the notes. All right, you note down the important things, because we are going to discuss some important informative things. All right, yeah. So class, before I start the session, our Unacademy's Ask a Doubt feature, yes, the trendy feature that you can see everywhere these days. So let's have a look at the features. So class, I'm going to play a small video to help you guys how you can, just a second, yeah, how you can use this Unacademy's Ask a Doubt feature. Ma'am, last time I attended your class and I got 20 out of 18. Do you mean Akanksha 18 out of 20 marks? That is great. Hi Meet. Hello Meet, welcome to the class. Okay guys, so let us watch this small video to understand how Unacademy's Ask a Doubt feature is helpful for you guys and how you can use the feature. Okay, so here
Unacademy. Let's crack it.
There are no silly questions, and we thrive on answering all your doubts. While dedicated doubt-solving live classes are a part of every course, we also have the Ask a Doubt feature for quick resolution of doubts even after your live classes. Just click on Ask a Doubt, type your question or click a picture of your doubt, highlight one specific question, choose the subject that the question falls under, and share it with your educator. Let's crack it.
Yes, great. So guys, this is how you guys can take the maximum benefit of the Ask a Doubt feature. This is how you can use the Ask a Doubt feature to get all your doubts solved, to get all your doubts answered. Just a second guys, just a second. Yeah. Okay. So you need to go to the Ask a Doubt feature, right? Then there you need to upload the question in which you are doubtful or you do not know the answer, then there will be a video solution you will receive just after a few minutes by our top educator. So class, the whole process of this we will discuss. Of course we will discuss that. I will let you guys step by step. I will let you know how you can get your doubts solved using the feature. But before that, we are all set to start our session. So guys, as I told you that in the session we're going to discuss various terms, different types of angles and the properties of some angles, the different types of angles formed. So this is going to be great if you guys get a pen and paper with yourself and you note down the things. Okay, that would be great. So it is a mentee revision. So first of all, we'll revise the things and we are going to have a mentee based on that. All right. Okay class. Alright, so let's get started. So when we talk about lines and angles, we always start from this thing that is a point. Okay class. Now a point is something, it is a dot that I draw with a pen. Class, whenever a doubt is there, I just want you guys to ask me, okay? Do not wait for the session to end or for the doubts. Any doubt is there, you can ask me that at that point of time only, right? Yeah. So we are going to start with point. So suppose I am having this pen right now in my hand and I am putting any dot here. Now this dot is very thin. It is very thin. It is very pointed, right? It is very pointed. So this is all what we call a point. So point is an element of the geometry. Now you must be thinking that what a point will do in mathematics. So class, here we are not talking about the point as a decimal. Right now we are talking a point as an element of the geometry. Why is that so? Because whenever you have to draw a line, suppose you're drawing a line. So it is not that you are directly drawing a line. There are small points that you join and you get a line. Yes or no? Yes or no? 1 second Harsh, let me adjust my camera. Thanks for this feedback, by the way. Is it better now? Okay. So when we are going to join all the points with each other, we are going to get a line. right? So a point is an element of the geometry which has no dimensions. So class, a point cannot be extended in any direction. Can we extend the point in this direction? No, we cannot. Can we extend the point in this direction? Of course not. So we cannot extend the point in any of the direction. So a point is having no dimensions. Now how do we label the points? So to label the points or to name the points, we always use capital letters. What do we use? We use capital letters. These are the capital letters which I have used here, A, B, and in the same way we have C. These are the capital letters which we use to name the points. For example, if there is any point, right? Suppose there are 3 points, right? Yes, you cannot extend the point, Harsh. You cannot do that. Hi, Ajaya. So class, look here. I have drawn 3 points, okay? If I want to refer to one of the point, how would I do that? First of all, I need to name these points. Let us suppose this is point J, this is point K, and this is point L. Now I can say that point K is in this direction, point L is in the downward direction, and point J is in the left direction. Okay, this is how I can refer to these points. Because for example, 1 centimeter line we have to make, so one point in 0 and another in 1. Very good, Atul. Yes, if you have to draw a line of 1 centimeter as Atul said, so first of all you will draw 1 point here and 1 point here, and then you will join that. You are right. Basically you are right. So a line will be formed. For forming a line, first you need to draw some points and then you will get a line. Then you will get a line, right? Oh, that is Lipsa. Hi, Lipsa. So class, any doubt in the point? I hope there is no doubt related to the point. No doubt is there? It is just marking a simple dot. Okay, the real concept comes in when we start forming lines using these points. So class, there are 3 types of lines. There is one line which is fixed, right? There is one line which is fixed. We cannot decrease that line or we cannot increase that line. We can neither increase that line, we can nor shorten the line. That is a fixed line and we call it a line segment because it is a part of a whole line. This is a small part of a whole line, right? Now we have another form of line which we can increase from one side. Suppose it is starting from here, I can increase it in one direction only but not in the other direction. So there is a line which can be increased in one direction. That is not called as a line, that is called as a ray. Capital R-A-Y or small r-a-y, it is called as a ray. But if we have a special line, a magical line which can be extended in any direction, it can be extended in any direction and it can have any length. It can be as small as this and it can be as large as this or this, right? So it can be extended as much as you wish. We call that this is a line. It can be extended in both the directions. So class, this is how we represent a line. A line is represented by this symbol, line segment is represented by this symbol, and a ray is represented by this symbol. All right, everyone. So this is the simple difference between 3 of them. Line would be a straight path which has no endpoints. You must have seen that we have got no endpoints here. There are no endpoints here, right? Okay, ma'am, we take measurements from a line only. Atul, when we draw a line, that is not a line, that is a line segment. For example, Atul, we are drawing a line of 2 centimeters. That is not a line. Okay, that would be a line segment. That is the line segment which is having a fixed length. Alright? Yes. Now a line segment is a straight path which has 2 endpoints. You can see that there are 2 endpoints. These are points only. Right? In case of line, there is no endpoints and there we have got 2 endpoints. Now look at a ray and tell me how many endpoints are there. Look at a ray and let me know how many endpoints are there. Quickly. How many endpoints are there? Jaldi se. Very good, Atul. So there is one end point. Very good, bache. Yeah, there is one end point. So this is the difference. Line segment has got two end points. We can also call that one is the starting point and the other one is the ending point. We can also say that way. In case of ray, there is one start point and there is no end point. But in case of a line, no start, no end. Okay, is that clear? So now lines is done. Now we have to make some angles. So let us proceed. Yes. So how would you form an angle? So class, my question is that you have to answer in yes or no. Can you get an angle if the two lines are not intersecting each other? There are two lines. They are not even, touching each other. They are not even touching each other. Can you get an angle? No. So you will always get an angle whenever there is intersection of two lines. There, first of all, we need two lines and they must cross each other. Yes, they must cross each other. They can be two lines or they can be two line segments, right? So whenever there are any two lines or line segments and they are crossing each other, you see there are some corners formed here, right? There are some corners formed here. Yes or no? Yes. So these corners are called as angles. Alright. What these corners are called? These are called as angles. Alright. So class, you can see in the image below. We have got two line segments or these are rays. There is one ray and we have got another ray here. Right. So this corner formed is called as an angle, and class, these rays are called as arms of the angle. Okay, they are called as arms of the angle. Is it clear to everyone? The angles part is clear to everybody. Oh, what is going on in the chat? अंकित को मेकअप दिख रहा है बच्चे, कहाँ मेकअप दिख रहा है? चलो, let's not talk about it. Slides पर मैंने कोई मेकअप नहीं लगाया. Okay, on the slides, like there is no makeup on the slides. That is only your mathematics. That is something that I have picked from your mathematics book only. Okay, that is what matters for you. Okay, good question, Atul. So, bacha, basically, whenever two lines intersect at some point, for example, this is the point where they are intersecting and an angle is formed. This is called as vertex. This is called as vertex. Now, a vertex is formed in the case of an angle as well. A vertex is also formed when a triangle is formed, because in a triangle we have got three angles, right? There are three angles, so there are three vertex. So the plural of vertex would be vertices. The plural of vertex would be vertices. Hi Karthik. Hello. Atul, your doubt is clear? Okay, great. Okay class, let us proceed. Now we have complementary angles. Chalo, jaldi se batao mujhe. Tell me first, what are complementary angles? So class, first of all, complementary angles are two angles. They are not one, they are always two angles. We have a pair of angles, right? Yes, the sum of the two angles must be 90 degrees. The pair of angles which add up to 90 degrees. Very good, Ankit. Yes, absolutely right. When two angles add up to form 90 degrees, they are complementary angles, right? Whenever they add up to 90 degrees or when they add up to 90 degrees and make a right angle. An angle of 90 degrees is called as what? That is called as a right angle only. So this will form a complementary angle. Okay, great. Now just give me some examples of complementary angles quickly. Give me some examples of complementary angles. Everybody. Everyone is going to give one example. Examples of complementary. Okay, I also give one example. Okay, I'm also participating. So one of the pair of complementary is 30 degrees, 60 degrees. They will add up to 90 degrees. So we have one answer by Ankit, 45 degrees plus 45 degrees. Very good, Ankit. That is 90. You are right. Then we have Harsh, you are repeating my point. This is cheating, Harsh. You need to get your point. Very good, Ankit. 10 degree plus 80 degree will be complementary. That is 90. बहुत अच्छे हर्ष. 20 degree plus 70 degree. that is again 90 degree. 40 plus 50, yes, that is 90. I hope that's clear. So whenever any two angles add up to 90, that is complementary. It's as simple as that. Okay, all right. Next is supplementary. Whole concept is same, just replace 90 by 180. If we have got pair of angles, if we have got pair of angles, or we have got two angles, the sum of two angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Then we will say that these are supplementary angles. Okay, in that case we would say that this is supplementary angles. Okay, now it is time to look for some examples of supplementary angles. Alright, Nanu has given the fastest answer, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Very good. This makes 180 degree. Very good. Let us see some more examples. Nanu is the fastest to answer. Let us see if we have got some more answers. Supplementary angles. Okay, correct answer by Harsh. 80 degrees plus 100 degrees is equals 180 degrees. Next one. Right. 60 plus 120. This is 180. 40 degrees plus 140 degrees. Very nice. That would be 180. Yeah, Atul, this is done. 100 plus 80 is done. Alright, class. So, if the two angles add up to form 90, that would be complementary. If the two angles add up to form 180, that would be supplementary. The idea is clear to everyone, or there is some doubt? If there is any doubt, ask me now. Ask me quickly if there is any doubt. Jaldi se, everyone. Okay, if there is no doubt and you are getting your doubt solved, then do not forget to like the video, everybody. Alright. Okay, great. Now let us proceed and we come to adjacent angles. Okay. Now class, this is very important. Okay. Now adjacent angles which are next to each other. These are the angles which are next to each other. For example, I am sitting here, right? If somebody is sitting exactly next to me, that person would be adjacent to me. Okay, that person would be adjacent to me. For example, there is one person standing here and there is one person standing next to him. So they are adjacent to each other. So in the same way, adjacent angles means pass wale angles, friends, okay, which are neighbors to each other. So it is the pair of two angles which are placed next to each other, right? So now let us look at the following example. Let us look at the given picture. So there are two angles. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Do you think these two angles are next to each other? Do you think these two angles are next to each other? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, they are next to each other. It means they can be adjacent angles, right? So yes, they are adjacent angles because they are next to each other. Now let us see if they fulfill the conditions of adjacent angles or not. So the first condition is a common vertex. A common vertex. So what is the vertex common for angle 1 and 2? What is the vertex, common vertex for angle 1 and 2? Let me know fast. Which is the common vertex for angle 1 and 2? Let me name these as well. Yeah, it would be easy for you now. So what is the common vertex? Yes. So class, vertex is this point where the lines intersect each other, right? Yeah. So O is the common vertex. Very good, Harsh, Nanu. Very nice, Ankit. Now a common arm should be there. Now we have got OA as the arm, OB as the arm and OC as the arm. Which of these is the common arm? Which arm is common here? Let me know fast. Which is the common arm? that is there in both the angles. Absolutely right, class. OB is the common arm. This one. This is the common arm. This is included in both the angles. Then OA and OC are the arms which are not common. These are not common. Okay. Now there should be two non-common arms, and both of them, like each non-common arm will be on each side of the common arm. So we have exactly like that. So this is non-common arm and this is also a non-common arm, right? And it is on the both sides of the common arm. It means, yes class, angle 1 and angle 2, they are adjacent angles. Alright, they are adjacent angles. They are separated by one common arm. Alright, make sure that the adjacent angles are separated by one common arm. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everybody? Okay, great. Now let us proceed to linear pair of angles. Next we have linear pair. So class, pair again means two, right? Yeah. So whenever there are two angles, how would they form a linear pair if there are two angles which are adjacent? First of all, two angles which are adjacent means next to each other, and their non-common arms makes a single line. Let us look at the picture. So here there are two angles which are adjacent. This angle and this angle. Both of these angles are adjacent. They are just next to each other. Yeah. And there is one common arm. This is the common arm. And these arms are the non-common. These are the non-common arms. But there is one special case, and the special case is that the non-common arms combine to form an angle of 180 degrees. Isn't that true? Yes, that is. The non-common arms combine to form an angle of 180 degrees. It means if this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, then the sum of both the angles would be 180 degrees. Yes, the sum of both the angles would be 180 degrees, where the two non-common arms are the opposite rays. They would be opposite rays. Why they are rays? Because they are starting from one single point. They are originating from one single point and they are extended in the opposite directions. So we will call that these are the opposite rays. Okay. Yes, Nanu, you are right. Two angles but one arm. Yeah, absolutely right, Atul. So because the two other arms are, they are on the other side. So one angle in which there is one common arm and two uncommon arms which are making a 180 degree angle. So that is a linear pair. So class, is the concept of linear pair clear to everybody? So one more thing, that these two angles will add up to 180 degree. So we can also say that linear pair is also supplementary. Isn't that true? Linear pair is also supplementary. Thank you so much, Ankit. Thank you so much, Bacha. I'm glad that you liked the class. Alright, so there will be supplementary. And you know what, class? There are cases, when we can have this angle at any point. So whenever there is a straight line and a line crossing that 180 degrees, so these two angles will add up to 180. Hi Devesh. Sorry. Hi Devesh. Yes, Harsh, just one last topic is left and then we'll start the Menti. Okay. Yeah. Now the easiest part. Yes. The easiest. Vertically opposite angles. VOP. VOA I mean. Yes. Vertically opposite angles. So class, which are opposite to each other. Whenever any two lines are there and they cross each other, how many angles they are forming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, they are forming 4 angles. So in this, we are getting two pairs of opposite angles. This is opposite to this one and this is opposite to this one. You can look at the picture. You can look at this small video, right? So we have got this angle equal to this one and this angle equal to this one. So class, vertically opposite angles are always equal. So class, all the angles that we have discussed till now. Devesh, sorry bacha, wo flow mein I said Ram Nivas. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So all the angles that we have discussed till now. Abhi tak we have covered complementary, supplementary, linear pair. Okay. In case of complementary, there were two angles which add up to 90. In supplementary, two angles add up to 180. In the same way, in the linear pair, two angles are adding up to something. But vertically opposite angles is different. Right? Here, the two angles are equal. वो कैसे equal होंगे two angles? If they are opposite to each other. Okay? If they are opposite to each other. So, if this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. So, angle 4 will be equal to which angle? Angle 4 is equal to which angle? Quickly tell me. Angle 4 is equal to which angle? Yes, absolutely class. It is equal to angle 3. Okay, great. Now angle 2 is equal to which angle? Angle 2. Quickly put your answer in the comment section. Fast. Angle 2 is equal to which angle? Yes, it is equal to angle 1. Yeah, it is equal to angle 1 because they are vertically opposite angles. Is it clear to everyone? Ma'am, I am Vab. Hi Vabhav, welcome to the session. Topper in the zonal level. Yes, you were saying that you had the exam. Okay, that is amazing, Vabhav. Congratulations, bache. Very nice, very nice. Yes, Vabhav, I am reading your message only. So finally, SK16 ने rock कर ही दिया. Very good, Vabhav. Amazingly done. Okay, class. Next we have pair of lines. When the lines are intersecting. All right. So first of all, look at these two lines. Are they intersecting or not? Do you think these lines are intersecting? Yes or no? Yes, of course. So class, if two lines touch each other, if there is a one line, there is another line, they are touching each other, then there is one point in common. For two lines to cross each other, there is one line, point which is common, and that point is called as point of intersection. This is called as point of intersection. Very well done. So this would be point of intersection. So class, this point of intersection will only be there if there are two lines that are intersecting. If the lines are not intersecting, then there will be no point of intersection. Okay, look at the picture below and tell me which is the point of intersection here. Hi Riya. Welcome to my class, Riya. No need to be worried about that, Vabhav. At least you should not be worried about that. I'm so proud of you. Yes. Okay. Class, Harsh and Devesh, bache, see, there are students who are really, they are participating in the session and I just don't want you guys to distract them. Alright, just lower down the level of conversation and increase the level of answers. Alright. Hi Meena. No, that is not Meena, that is Riya. Hi Riya. Yeah. So class, what is the point of intersection here? Very good, Nanu. Very right answer. Here T is the point of intersection. Right answer by Nanu. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let us proceed. Now class, whenever there are two lines which do not intersect, what would you call them? if there are two lines and they do not intersect. For example, the lines look like this. So what would you call them? Yes, let us see who gives the fastest answer. If the two lines do not intersect, what would you call that? Let me see the answers in the comment section quickly. No, that would not be transversal. Harsh, Devesh, Nanu, Riya, what would be the answer, bache? If the two lines do not cross each other, what would you call them? Yes, that would be parallel lines. They would be parallel lines, okay? What would you call them? Parallel lines. So parallel lines do not cross each other. Intersecting lines cross each other. बहुत अच्छी. Now class, whenever there are two lines, they may be parallel or they may not be parallel. So if there is any line crossing two lines at different points, 2 or 3 or 4, right? If there are any 2 or 3 lines like this and there is one line which is crossing all the lines, then this special line is called as transversal line or transversal. What that is called? That is called as a transversal. So if a line intersects two or more lines at different points, we call it as a transversal. You can see that this line is intersecting the lines at 3 different points, or you can even look at the image. We have AB and CD, two parallel lines, and this transversal is cutting it at 2 different points. Alright, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everybody? Sure class? Okay, great. So whenever there is a transversal and it is cutting parallel lines, whenever a transversal, yes, it cuts parallel lines, then it forms various angles. You can see that we have got 4 angles formed here and 4 angles formed here, right? Ma'am, parallel lines are those, they never meet. Yes, you are right, Riya. Many answer. Okay, Harsh. Yes. Now class, you can see that whenever we have got transversal, any transversal cutting the parallel lines, then there are some angles formed. So class, let us quickly have a look at all these angles. So first of all, we will get the interior and exterior angles. Now, this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle, these are called as exterior angles because they are on the exterior, right? They are on the exterior, you call them exterior angles. In the same way, if we are having these 4 angles in the interior, what would you call them? Then you would call that these are interior angles. Okay, they are exterior angles and they are interior angles. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, great. Now class, let's jump to the third picture. Suppose you have one angle on the left side of the line and the other angle on the right side of the line, but the position is changed. So you will call that these are alternate angles. These angles are alternate. Also, they are in the interior, so we will call that these are alternate interior angles. What they would be called? They are called as alternate interior angles. Clear to everyone? Is that clear? So in the same way, you have got these two as the alternate interior angles. ये भी हमारे क्या होंगे? Alternate interior angles. Got my point, everyone? Okay, class, have you noticed that we are getting a linear pair here? Yes, we are getting 2 linear pairs as well. Not 2, but you are getting 4 linear pairs. So you can apply all the properties at this point now. Whenever there are angles, they are formed by a transversal. You can apply all the angles and all the properties here. Alright class? Is that clear to everyone? Okay, great. Now we have got the time for starting our Menti session. Yes, we are all set to start our Menti quiz. So class, as I promised in the beginning that I will let you know the step wise how you can ask your doubts from the Ask a Doubt. So here we go. Class, you have to tap the Ask a Doubt, right? So once you do that, it will ask you to take a picture or choose a picture from the gallery. So whatever you're doing, this is up to you. So in both the cases, you will get a picture like this, which will be having so many questions. Then you have to upload the picture, but before that, do not forget to crop the picture to one particular question. Once you do that, do not forget to add the subject category. If the question is from mathematics, make sure you are writing mathematics or selecting mathematics as the category. Once you do that, you're all set and you will quickly receive a solution. Alright guys? Yes, and if you want to unlock your Ask a Doubt feature, the code is SKK Live 10. Good Sevak, this is not the Menti code, bache. I have not given the Menti code for now. I haven't given the Menti code. This is not the correct one. Okay, class. And one more thing is, class, our limited period offer. Hamara limited period offer. So as I told you in the last session that it is ending on 21st, but I have got a good news, guys. It has been extended. Okay, I'm super happy that we are going to get more learners now. Yes, just by looking at the response you guys had, we have extended the offer, but there's some changes. So this time not 1000 but only 500 subscribers. We have opened this only for 500 subscribers and the creative corner only for 250 subscribers. अब करना क्या है आपको पता है? You know what to do, class. 28th of March, before this date, you have to grab Plus and Iconic subscriptions using the code SKK Live 10, and this will give you extra discount. How much? 10%. Okay. So extra 10% discount you're going to get. Ma'am, please start the Menti and give the code. कौन सा code? Harsh, Menti code or referral code? Menti code or referral code? You want to get Creative Corner free subscription? So this is for you, bache. You're getting free CBSE subscription for 2 months and Creative Corner for 3 months if you're going for 12 months CBSE subscription. Guys, let me tell you, we have got so many amazing batches for you guys on the Plus, amazing courses. I have got some of courses for mathematics right from chapter 1. We're going to have a detailed revision, detailed learning of everything. So I guess this is the high time. I just don't want anybody to miss the first 1 month, because this is the time when we're going to start. If you're going to miss this part, the basic is going to be missed. So I just don't want this to happen. So do fast, do quick. You just have got 1 more week to get this offer, okay, with the 10% discount. Okay, so jaldi se class, tell my referral code in the chat. Everybody tell me my referral code in the comment and I will give you the Menti code. जो मुझे referral code बताएगा उसको मैं Menti code बताऊंगी. चलो जल्दी से, quickly everyone. Quickly. All right. Yes, it is. Harsh, you don't want the Menti code, I guess. Yes, guys, it is SKK Live 10. Chalo, go to www.menti.com and you have got a new code which is 3217629. All the best for Menti, guys. Quickly join the Menti. Okay, we have got a frog and a crab. Class, let me put the Menti code in the chat so that you guys can copy. Okay, great. So I just want all of you to come with your name, okay? Okay, so we have a frog, a crab, a truck, a lollipop, then an agent, a banana, and a number 8. Hi, laughing princess. Okay, alright, Akshara the cutie. Yes, class only 7. Do you want me to start the Menti with 7 people only? Would you have fun in that? Okay, we have Prabha here. Who is that frog, that big frog face? Who is that one? Okay, there is one kid with umbrella. Class, do one thing. Everybody tell me which is the picture you are joining with so I get to know, that who is here. Yeah. I know your name is Akshara. Okay, there is a watermelon. Is that? Yeah, it is. There is a caterpillar. Okay, class, we have got 11 learners. Quickly tell everybody to join and then we are going to start. We are going to start right now, okay? Everyone is here? Ma'am, mine is truck. Akshara, you are the truck? Okay. Prabha is Priyanshu. Yeah, I know, laughing princess, you have joined with that one. Okay, I guess we should start. Alright. Harsh, how would I be able to guess? Yes, the measure of the complement of the angle 30 degrees is. Quickly, everyone. Quickly. Hi, Lejong. Join the Menti fast. So complement, you know what is complement and what would be the value of complement of 30 degrees? 100%? Very nice. Very good. Yes, 7 students are absolutely right, but there are 4 students who got it wrong. But a complement means that there are 2 angles which add up to 90 degrees. Okay. So if we are talking about complement of angle 30, means it would be 30 plus that angle makes 90. So 30 plus 60 makes 90. Let's see the leaderboard. Lipsa, bache, there is no link. There is a code and I'm putting that in the chat. Yes. Let us see who is here. Yes. So we have on the leaderboard Watson. Who is that? Okay guys, Watson is the fastest. Then we have Devesh who is going to rock the quiz. Then we have Rising Star Ekta SKF. Then we have Ria. Then we have fan of Shubhu ma'am. Is that Devesh or this is Harsh? I guess this is, I don't know who that is. Who is this? Then we have Priyanshu cannot play. Why you can't play, Priyanshu? You're doing so good. Then we have Harsh Singhal SKF. These kids have given the right answer. All the best everyone. Just a second. Lipsa, bache, go to www.menti.com. Guys, help Lipsa. She doesn't know how to, do this. Yes, you need to go to www.menti.com and put this code. Yes. Alright, Lipsa. So do it fast and let me know once you join. Atul, Akshara, this is not 30 multiplied by 90, bache. This is 30 plus 60, that is equal to 90. Okay, what is the definition of the complementary angles? 2 angles or a pair of angles that add up to 90. Chalo, question number 2 is here. All the best, guys. And the question number 2 is on your screens. Which of the following is a true statement? Two acute angles can be supplementary. Two right angles can be supplementary. Two obtuse angles can be supplementary. One obtuse angle and one acute angle cannot be supplementary. All the best. Ram Nivas, I'm not going to give you light year wali calculations that you need a calculator. Everybody has voted. Very nice. Good job. 12 students are absolutely right. बहुत अच्छे class. But 2 students have got it wrong. Class, how 2 acute angles can be supplementary? Acute angles less than 90. So 2 angles which are less than 90, they will never be supplementary. कभी भी नहीं होगा. I think that's a misclick. And there is one kid who has marked option D. One obtuse and one acute angle, they can be supplementary. बच्चे cannot लिखा है. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. One second. Yeah. Okay. So on the leaderboard, we have got all the kids who have got the right answer. And Devesh. This time, Devesh is the topper and the fastest. Devesh is the fastest. Then we have Rising Star Ekta, Riya, Watson, Priyanshu, fan of Shubhu ma'am, Harsh Single SK, Frosty, Lejong, Hi-Fi, and then we have Akshara. Lipsa, bache, you need to go to Google, alright, and search for www.menti.com. When you open, it will ask you for a code, and this is the code you have to put there. Okay, 3217629. Yeah, all right. Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much, Harsh. So question number 3 is here, everyone. All right. What is the measure of supplement of angle 0 degrees? Common sense question, okay? This is common sense question. Supplement of 0 degrees. Quickly mark, everyone. Arey yaar. 45, how that would be 45? Class, that would not be 45, bache. 0 degree. What would you add to 0 that it becomes 180? That is 180 only, na? That would be 180 only. 180 plus 0 is 180. That would be the supplement of 0. Great. All the best, Devesh. So this time, fastest answer is by fan of Shubhu ma'am. Who is that? Who is that? Then the topper is Devesh, Ekta, Riya, Priyanshu, Watson, Harsh Singhal, Shivangi loves math. Hi Shivangi, welcome to the leaderboard. Then we have Lejong, Hi-Fi, and then we have Akshara, the cutie. Alright guys, question number 10 is here. Sorry, question number 4 is here. 4th question. Yeah, right. Okay, the angles in a linear pair. They are complementary, they are supplementary, they are not adjacent, and they are vertically opposite. This is again, I would call, this is a common sense question. Mark this quickly. Jaldi se everyone. So a linear pair would always be. Hi gaming, Victorious Gaming, welcome to the class. Hi Shivangi. Great. Very nice. The angles in a linear pair, they are supplementary. They add up to 180. Class, supplementary angles add up to 180. Linear pairs also add up to 180. So linear pair angles are supplementary. They are not complementary. Whoever has marked option A, bache, complementary means two angles adding up to 91. Linear pair add up to 180. तो ये गलत हो गया. This is not right. They are not adjacent, guys. These are the three kids who have missed the class. Class linear pair, they are adjacent. Okay, they are next to each other. Let us see the leaderboard. Hi, superb video. Welcome to the class. Okay, so on the leaderboard, fastest answer is by Priyanshu, who cannot play, but he's doing a great job. I guess that's a girl. Then we have Devesh on the top. Then we have Rising Star Ekta, SKF, Riya, Priyanshu, fan of ma'am, Harsh Single, SKF, Shivangi loves math, Lajong, high five, Watson, and Akshara the cutie. Next question is here. Question number 5. Super video, join the Menti quickly. Yes, class. So what is the value of angle X minus angle Y? Okay, you are a boy. Thank you for telling me this. So what is angle X minus angle Y? Class, last 23 seconds to answer. Okay. Very nice. Very good. Right answer by 9 students, and 56 degrees is the right answer, and you must be wondering how. So class, ma'am, pick is not loading. Okay, so class, in this figure, just a second, yeah, in the given figure, so angle X and Y, if I talk about angle X and Y, angle Y is vertically opposite angle, so that is 62 degrees only, right? And angle X is 118. When you subtract, first of all you need to find angle X, right? Angle X is equal to 118 degrees, and you can calculate that by forming a linear pair. And last, you need to subtract angle X and Y. That would be 56. Let us see the leaderboard. All right, so we have the right answer by all these kids that are on the leaderboard. Then we have Devesh, the fastest. Then we have Rising Star Ekta, Priyanshu cannot play, fan of Shubhu ma'am, Harsh Single, SKF, Riya, Lijong, Shivangi loves maths, Watson, and superb video. Hello. Okay, class, let us move to the next question. Okay, question number 6 is here. Yes, Priyanshu, I know you are a boy, bache. Class, in the given figure, angle AOB and angle BOC, are these angles complementary, or they are supplementary, or they are adjacent, or they are none of these? Ma'am, मेरा नाम बाबू राव गणपत राव आपटे है. Okay, nice name, Victorious Gaming. Yes, you can. Parivalal, you can, bache. Of course, I remember. Class, what is this? What is this? Look at the figure carefully. AOB and BOC, they are not complementary. They are not supplementary even, and they are not even adjacent angles. कितने अच्छे से हमने ये किया था. We had invested so much of time into this, but still you got it wrong. Okay, so there are only 3 students who have got the right answer. It's none of these, okay? They are none of these. And these 3 students are Devesh, Ekta, and there is one more kid who is not on the leaderboard. Yes, fastest answer by Devesh. Then we have Ekta, Priyanshu, fan of Shubhu ma'am, Har Singhal, Riya, Lejong, Shivangi, Watson, and superb video. Question number 7 is here. Class, be careful, okay? Yes, find the value of angle x in the given figure if the given lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel, you have to find the value of x and you have to choose the reason. Yes. What is the absolute reason for this? Why this is the value of x? All the best, everyone. Hi, Neeraj. Done. Last 5 seconds for everyone. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and time's up. And the right answer is option A. Very nice. Yes. So some students got confused कि ये alternate angles तो नहीं है, but बच्चे know these are corresponding angles and they are equal. Okay, corresponding angles are always equal. And after this question, the leaderboard says that the fastest answer is by Priyanshu, and then we have Devesh on the top. Then we have Rising Star Ekta, Priyanshu, fan of Shubhu ma'am, Har Singhal, Lejong, Shivangi loves math, Riya, super video, and Watson. Okay, class. Let's go to the next question. Jaldi se. Quickly. Question number 8, okay? Perform with the same energy. ऐसे ही response होना चाहिए. Maximum right answers. So in the given figure, both the lines are parallel. Then what is the value of x and y? Yes. What is the value of angle x? It is, these are corresponding angles, alternate exterior angles, or alternate interior angles. This is very simple question. Very simple. And right answer is by only 4 kids. How is that possible? Class, देखो. First of all, alternate angles are always equal. ठीक है? So it cannot be 130. So option 2, A and B to cancel. That is cancelled. Now we are left with option C and D. So these are not exterior angles, बच्चे. I told you exterior angles क्या होते हैं and what are the interior? Interior ones are between the lines. Exterior ones are outside the lines. Yes. Let us see the leaderboard. Priyanshu got a misclick. Okay. Hi Lucky, I remember you. Okay, we have fastest answer by fan of Shubhu ma'am, and we have Devesh, Ekta, Priyanshu, Harsh, Singhal, Lejong, Shivangi, Riya, superb video, and Sneha Negi on the leaderboard. Welcome to the leaderboard, Sneha. Alright class, very few questions are left. All the best everyone. And the next one is here. Yes, this is question number 9. Question number 9 is here for you people. Yes, find the value of angle x in this. What is the value of angle x here? You are having your maths exam tomorrow. All the best, Lucky. So class, think which property you are going to use here. Ma'am, पिछली class में जब मैं late हुआ था तो आपने मुझे मुर्गा बना दिया था. Super weird. This is false. Okay, this is absolutely false. Okay, how many you have got done? Let me see. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So this is a linear pair. Okay, this is great. This is amazing, guys. So all the 3 angles would add up to 180, and everyone who has marked option A, C, D, you guys have got wrong calculation, I guess. Class, The three angles will add up to 180. बहुत अच्छे एकता. Yes, exactly. So 25 plus 40, that would be subtracted from 180. So let us have a look at the leaderboard. Last 4 questions are left, everyone. Yes. The fastest answer is by... Fastest is... Fan of Shubhu ma'am. Okay, who is that? I honestly don't know who that kid is. Then we have Devesh on the top, Rising Star Ekta, fan of Shubhu ma'am, and then we have Priyanshu, Lajong, Shivangi, Harsh, Superb Video, Sneha and Riya. Alright. Class question number 10 is here. Yes. Okay. All the best, everyone. Class, you have to find angle 1. Are you able to see angle 1? दिख रहा है सबको? You have to find that angle. Alright, very nice. 6 students have answered absolutely right, class. This was an easy question. Only the options were a little bit tricky. So let me know which is the property. Very good, Priyanshu. बहुत अच्छे. Very nice. You have answered before even I had asked the question. Yes, these are alternate exterior angles and they are always and always and always equal. So this is 8x minus 4 and it is the right answer. So this question is going to, change, brings a lot of change on the leaderboard. And after this, we have got fastest answer by Devesh and he is on the top. Now there is a competition between Devesh and fan of Shubhu ma'am. Then we have Ekta, Priyanshu, Lajong, Shivangi, Harsh, Superb Video, Sneha, Nigi and Diya. Ma'am, thoda time lag gaya question samajhne mein. Acha ji Devesh, but finally you made it. All the best, guys. Let's move to the question number 11. Yes, I hope this is going to be an easy one. All right. Angle 1 is equal to 27. Find angle 4. Very easy question. Angle 1 is equal to 27 degrees. Then what would be angle 4? Okay, last 5 seconds left to answer the question. And time's going to up. 6 students are right, class. 1 is equal to 2. They are opposite. Just a second. Let me see if they're opposite or alternate. Let me see the picture. Yes, they are opposite. Then 2 and 4 are corresponding. So that is 27 degrees. Yes, absolute answer. Okay, so after this question, this is the scoreboard. We have on the top Devesh, but fastest answer by fan of Shubhu ma'am, Rising Star Ekta, SKF, Priyanshu, Superb Video, Lajong, Shivangi, Harsh Single, Sneha and Riya. Misclick हो गया Shivangi. This is funny one. Devesh. मैम हम स्नेहा नेगी हम बहुत परेशान कर रही हैं. What happened? Sneha, what happened? Okay, let us move to the next question. Question number 12. Last 2 questions, everyone. All the best, okay? Okay, you have to tell what is the relationship between the angle 1 and 3. They are consecutive interior angles, vertical angles, alternate exterior angles or corresponding angles. This is very simple if you know the concept. Priyanshu, why are you giving misclicks? Yes, they are corresponding. Yes, they are sharing the same place. They are corresponding, class. They are corresponding. No, these are not alternate exterior. No. Alternate angles, one angle is on the left side and other one is on the right side. Okay, this is how it goes. No. So let us see the leaderboard. One last question, everybody. One last question. So we have got fastest answer by fan of Shubhu ma'am, Devesh on the top. Then we have Ekta, Priyanshu, superb video, Shivangi, Lejong, Harsh, Neha and Riya leading. Guys, we're left with the last question. Are you guys all set? Are you all ready for the last question? Hi Tamanna, hi Tapshya. Alright class, if you join the session after the session is over and you can put the answers of all the questions in the comment section. That would be great. Alright. Okay, last question is here. Yes. You have to find the value of x. Find the value of x. Easiest question in the whole universe. All the best class. Now this question is going to give us the final result. Done Priyanshu? Great. This is 120, 90, 170. Everybody mark it fast. Alright. So 100 is the right answer. 8 students have marked it right. Bache, both the angles are linear pair. So the sum would be 180. So 100 plus 80 is 180. It is not 120. 120 kab hoga if it is 60. 90 kab hoga when it is 90 only. Right? So none of them is right. Option C is the right one. Hi Tapsha. Yes Bache. Okay class. Aditi. No. It is not like that. It is not like that. Alright guys. So as I told you, this is the last question and this is the last question actually. Now we are going to see the final leaderboard. So do you want to make some guesses who is going to be the winner of the session? Any guesses about it? Who do you think is the winner? Alright. So guys, let us see the winner of the session. Yes, so this is the final leaderboard everybody. So we have got the fastest answer for this question by Priyanshu. On the leaderboard we have Watson, Sneha, Harsh, Lejong, Shivangi, superb video, Priyanshu, Rising Star Ekta, SKF and fan of Shubhu ma'am. But the ultimate winner of the session is Devesh, whose name is Well Rock the Quiz, and definitely he is the man of his words. And finally Devesh, you have rocked the quiz. Amazingly done with 11675 points. That is a great score guys. Very well done. Congratulations Devesh and congratulations to all the toppers of the session. We have fan of Shubhu ma'am, Ekta, Priyanshu, then we have super video Shivangi. They have done a great job. The performance was amazing guys. Very well done. So that is all for today everybody. This is all for today, but do not feel bad. I will soon have another class. I will soon have another mentee session. So guys, for that all you need to do is you need to like the video if you love the session, right? And yes, one more thing, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any class with me. And I will see you guys soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye everybody. Have a good day.